Say your name, age at the camera.
Wanted.
I'm Mars Asia. I'm Katrine
I'm Abigail
Okay,
Azares.
lumutad po.
Raquelita de la Cruz, a.k.a. Rocky.
Criteria number 1. With pleasing personality.
Babae o lalaki?
Number 2. With excellent communication skills.
Bakit ka namin kukunin para sa role na to?
Kaya ko po magtula. Friends, romance, countrymen, lend me your ear.
Good!
Number 3. You can sing, act, and dance.
My talent is sexy dancing.
To the front, to the front.
Next!
I can also do interpretative dance.
Number 4.
Ang dami na nag-audition, wala ka pa nagustuhan dun, pare.
Able to portray a very challenging and demanding role.
Ano po bang role ko?
Ang kailangan mo ay makakuha ng babae na mapapangasawa mo yung magpapanggap para makuha mo na yung mana mo.
Asawa ko.
Kung pasok ka sa criteria, ikaw na ang hinahanap niya.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. I would like you to meet my son.
Lala, this is Rocky, my wife.
Your wife? Your wife? I don't want a civil wedding. I want you to get married again.
On its 20th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings its first biggest romantic comedy movie offering ngayong 2014.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
From Kim Chiu and Zian Lim.
Simula ngayon, ako na ang masusunod. Rule number 1, dapat parati akong masaya. Number 2, dadagdagan ko ang mga rules kung kailan ko gusto.
Anong klaseng rule yan?
Nagrereklamo ka.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Nagrereklamo ka ulit. Rule number 3, don't you dare fall in love with me.
Ready ka na ba sa pinakamalaking role na babago sa buhay mo? Bride for Red, directed by May Zarina Cruz. Ngayong January 15 na.
Isn't it amazing?
Amazing.
Isn't it surprising?
Surprising.
Isn't it?